Hello children, let's learn the animal's name. Cow. C-O-W cow. Cow means guy. What is this? Goat. Goat. Goat means bakri. Oh, what is this? It's a dog. Dog means kutta. What is this? It's a cat. Cats mean billy. What is this? It's a giraffe. What is the meaning of giraffe? Zarafa. What is this? Camel. It's mean ऊंट. What is this? It's a bear. Bear. Bear mean bhalu. Look, what is this? It's a donkey. Donkey means gadha. What is this? Monkey. Monkey mean bandar. Oh, it's a rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh.